Good morning, everybody. This is Jason from Cycle Stop USA. I wanted to give you another quick tech tip. Every once in a while we get a bike come in with a similar problem, and this is getting really common with all the ethanol problems that we've had lately. So if you've got a fuel system problem, if you've got a Delphi fuel-injected Harley Davidson, which is late 01 through, let's say 2016, even the 2017s, we haven't seen any of the problems with the 2017s yet, but in particular, let's say 01 to 13, let's focus on those years. Sometimes what can happen is you start your bike up, everything seems fine, you hear the fuel pump build pressure, but the bike runs erratically, and it seems to run more and more erratically the less fuel that's in it. And sometimes having a fuel tank will mask this problem. But Hannah, come in here real quick, I want to show you. If you can see these tubes right here, they kind of look like an esophagus. See the discoloration on them? These get really brittle from ethanol. The other thing that gets really brittle is this fuel pressure regulator. So this bike came in having some idling problems. It would not stay running. It would start up, you'd hear the fuel pump come on and build pressure, but it wouldn't stay. And that's because this little plastic tab on this fuel pressure regulator housing cracked. Now when we do this job, we replace three parts, always. We replace the internal tube that goes to the check valve, we replace the internal tube that goes from the pump up to the fuel pressure regulator, and we replace the fuel pressure regulator housing. These parts are super inexpensive. This is a really easy job that almost anyone can do. You only need one special tool. I'm gonna get this out of the bike. I'm gonna put it on the bench. So subscribe to this video and you'll see part 2 coming up when I have this all out, and I'll show you how to repair it and get it back in the tank. I'll also show you when we're done how I diagnose this using just your ear. I'm Jason from Cycle Stop USA. Subscribe to our video series. I know these things are done kind of off the cuff. That's the way I want them to be. I'm not gonna do a bunch of editing and a bunch of production. I want you guys to see in real time what it takes to do something using the tools that you have. So ride safe and subscribe down below. Thanks.